Hi, it's Fizz Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so yeah, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yes, ito yung FB page ni Perception. Okay? So, message nyo lang po siya and yeah, don't forget to follow. And syempre, pagdating naman sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi tayo. Okay? Kuya Dingsi ang pwede ninyong lapitan o pwede ninyong i-message, no? And then, yeah, don't forget to follow Kuya Dingsi. Okay? So, yeah. And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so, okay. The all-in-one evil eye bracelet available in red and black string. Okay. So, this is yung may initial natin. Okay. And ito po ay adjustable. Okay. And syempre, meron tayong ring. Oo. And yeah, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. Okay. And yeah. Ito muna. Okay, yung isang design ng Evil Eye bracelet. Oo. So, ito pala. Baliktad. Yan. Okay. So, ito po is garterized. Okay. And, pareho silang unisex. Okay. Parehong unisex yung ating mga bracelet. Okay. So, dyan ka muna. And, ito tayo. Oo. Sa ating Evil Eye necklace. So, again, katulad rin siya ni ring na non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay? Yeah. So, pagdating sa Grantor necklace, okay, so, message lang kay admin. Okay? So, yung mga nakapag-order na this week, so, tomorrow po ang pick up, no? Saturday ang pick up dito sa aking bahay, no? And yeah, next week ulit ang pagkuha, oo, ng mga pwedeng or mga gustong magpagawa ng grantor. Okay? Pero ngayon, yeah, open naman na. Basta magsabi lang po, no, para magawa agad if ever. Para magawan po kayo agad, hindi yung, kunyari, Thursday or Friday na magpapasabi, naku, next week ulit, next week na ulit yun. Okay? Kasi, syempre, matagal pong gawin. Okay, so acrylic po yon, yung pendant, acrylic, and non-tarnish siya. Necklace po, ha? Non-tarnish, 20 inches po yung chain, pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng chain na gusto ninyo kung meron man kayong favorite na chain, no? And yeah, important lang doon is yung ating pendant. Okay? So yeah, let's start. Excuse me. Okay. Let's start the reading. Pasensya na sa ating boses. Okay. So, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Anong message for air signs? The moon in reversed. Okay. And the Six of Pentacles. Meron ditong this is channeled. Meron ditong gagastos pupunta sa saan mang gustong lugar. Gagastos doon kasi doon yung lungkot. Okay, someone is maybe moving on or yeah, may something lang na pinoproblema, may gastos. Ang pinaka-specific na nakikita ko is magiinom. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko. Lalo na ngayon. Oo, like weekends. Okay? So, yeah, parang lalabas sa bahay. Iba naman kung hindi man, may paglabas sa bahay, parang nandyan yung gagastos. No? Yeah, yun lang naman. Meron din ditong magsasabi ng katotohanan. Okay? May magbibigay, maybe clarity for some of you. Closure for some of you. Pero I think this is clarity. Okay, Pisces, Earth sign. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Hang on, atin munang buhayin ng ilaw. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so, okay, Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Anong meron? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. This is bills, specific bills, payments, responsibilities. In general, the Nine of coins, the Nine of Pentacles, and yeah, commitments. Okay. Ooh, the Sun. Haha. Some of you may chance na makakuha ng good news pagdating sa pera. Okay? Yes. I think meron ditong energy ng like abundance. Okay, this is good news. Yeah, there's an offer coming. This is pera, kung makikita nyo. Okay? Workplace. Yeah. Meron ako nakukuha ditong success or victory. Yes. Meron ditong makakapasa. I don't know kung ano yun. Merong ipapasa. Okay? Yeah. Basta committed, may magandang resulta eh. Okay? May magandang resultang mangyayari or makukuha. In the end. Okay? What else? The Five of Swords. Five of Swords. Eight of Wands. Okay, so meron ditong energy ng delay dahil may pabago-bagong isip. May pabago-bagong plano na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? About an offer maybe. Some of you meron ditong hot and cold. No? Meron ditong hindi totally masasabing kayang mag-focus sa gustong mangyari sa inyong dalawa. I think this is someone na gustong makakonect ka, pero nandoon yung mga pag-iisip like kanegahan nila na pwedeng yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit hindi magkakaroon ng continuous, no? Parang pagdating sa communication, sira agad. Okay? So, pwedeng air sign, fire sign. Okay? Oh. So, may chance na pwedeng iba sa kanila is your past person. Trying maybe na makipag-communicate again, like to reconnect. Okay? Yeah. Yun lang. Okay. Next. Fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Ang sarap magkape. Oo. Okay. Oops. I'm not ready. Some of you meron ditong earth sign na gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo. Earth sign ay Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leon, Sagittarius. Anong message? Okay. For you. Eight of Pentacles. Being busy. Focus. May mga gagawin yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Oh, again. Meron ditong gustong mag-pursue. Some of you matatanggap sa work. May chance na matanggap sa work. May chance na magkaroon ng offer sa workplace. Meron ako dito nakukuhang, ang tawag dyan, conversation, no? About work. Okay? Yeah. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, pwede magkasabay-sabay yung offer. Offer ng work. Yes. Okay. or offer sa work. Diba? Six of Swords. Some of you, this is going away or distancing, moving on. Excuse me. Six of Swords and the Page of Cups. Meron ditong emosyon na hayaan na lang na hindi maging na marinig, na malaman. Okay? Some of them kasi, yeah. Wala akong nakikitang offer dito. Like, hahayaan na lang kung anong meron. Or kung meron mang nararamdaman pagdating sa'yo, hahayaan na lang nila. Air sign, water sign. Okay? So, yeah. Pwedeng meron din ditong mag-act, no, ng coldness, like distant, na magiging distant itong taong ito. Some of them kasi they're like really immature, no focus. Okay? Nandyan yung pagdistansya. Yeah. What else? Okay, the Hierophant. Iba talaga rito ha, may chance ng offer pagdating sa workplace. Okay, like higher level, okay, of commitments is coming. Okay, the Hierophant. Yeah, may bibigay. Oh, this is good. This is good. Yeah. Pagdating sa kaperahan ha, may chance talaga na hindi na po problemahin in the near future ng iba rito. Yes. Some of you, may chance ng kasal in the future. May chance si kasal. Okay? Sa isang Cancerian, sa isang Earth sign. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Yeah. A new connection coming in. Meron din. Okay? Pero if you're not, talagang wino-work out yung mga dapat i-work out, like the past trauma, the burden, hindi mangyayari yon. Mabablock kasi yung new energy na paparating. Okay? So there. Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Messages. Okay, the Nine of Cups. The wish fulfillment. Yeah. Okay, what's with this Nine of Cups? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Someone is trapped. Feeling trapped. Let's see. Tanungin natin ano tong Nine of Cups. I think pwedeng this is goals. Mga ganyan. Or something like mga gustong makuha or mangyari sa buhay. Pero trap eh. Like walang nangyayari. Walang nakikita. Walang alam. Parang ganon. I don't know why. The Nine. Okay. The Nine of Wands in reverse. So, if this is nangyayari ngayon, hindi talaga makukuha to. Ano po to? This is pagsuko. Okay? Hindi nyo talaga makukuha yung mga gusto nyong mangyari. Kung madali kayong sumuko, makakaunti ang inyong pasensya, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Someone is thinking of you a lot. A water sign like you, an air sign, a fire sign. Thinking of you. A lot. Ito yung taong pwedeng sinukuan ka or vice versa. Yes. Okay. What else? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. So in general, may chance na this is like an issue pagdating sa workplace. Yeah, specific. In general, this is walang kaayusan. Walang pagkakaintindihan like that. Third party for some of you. Okay, so the Six of Pentacles. There's away, arguments for some of you in the workplace. Ano itong Six of Pentacles? Okay. So, may lumabas na cup. This is emotion. This is like someone na pwedeng nagpo-pursue or pwedeng nakikipag-connect. Pero, mayroong issue nga. May chance na nagiging patas itong taong to or vice versa. Pero, hindi talaga magiging consistent kung tatlo kayo. Okay, hindi talaga magiging consistent kung tatlo kayo. Again, another 3. Energy ng tatlo. Okay. Excuse me. Hindi mo makukuha. Oo, yung stability kung merong third party na involved sa isang relasyon. Yes. Four of Cups. Someone is thinking, like, daydreaming. Ina-avoid mo ba? Excuse me. The Two of Swords. Someone is overthinking. Someone is ignoring you. Pwedeng water sign or air sign. Parang nag-i-ignoran kayo. Bakit? Okay. Yeah, ego, pride. Kung meron kayong no contact or meron ngang may nangyaring or pwedeng in the near future may mangyaring hindi pagpapansinan because of the pride and the ego na sinasabi. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang. Some of you pwedeng family member, friends, relatives. Okay? So, there. Sandali lamang po, ha? Okay. So, umubulaang ako ng kauntian. Okay. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Earth signs. Ano bang meron sa inyo? Earth signs. Okay. 8 of Wands. That is action. So, Earth signs, sinasabi rito na meron kayong mga kailangang gawing aksyon. In general, the devil. Someone wants to communicate like, sabihin nating addicted. Gustong-gusto kang kausapin itong taong to. Gustong-gustong makipag-connect sa'yo. But you're trying to avoid them maybe. Or you're trying to di ko alam, block them. Meron ditong sobrang eager, no? Oo. Gustong-gusto na makakonect ka, makausap ka, maybe. Who is this? Devil. The, the Queen of Cups. So, sabihin nating iba sa kanila talagang may emosyon, like malaliman na emosyon. Yes. Gusto ka nito. Oh my God. They're invested. Kung sino man to, gustong gusto ka niya. Meron silang emosyon. Alam niyo yung kagustuhan ng tao to, dumarating na sa puntong nag-o-obsess na sila sa inyo. Lalo na doon kay Capricorn. Specific. Okay, pero yeah, this is Earth sign. Pero yes, nakita natin dito ang sign ng Capricorn. Okay. What else? May naririnig ako, pwedeng yung mga Capricorn is charismatic, like magnet. Madaling ang tawag dyan? Madaling mahulog, oo, yung mga tao. I don't know. Nandun eh. Pwedeng meron nga. Hindi naman lalabas to ng wala lang. Okay? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. In love na to yung iba sa inyo. Meron. Okay? So, meron ditong pagbabago na pwedeng mangyari. Sa kaperahan, maybe. Sa business mo. Sa kung ano man ang sinisimulan or gustong simulan. Okay? Medyo sabihin natin yung iba rito is meron ng mga napepending na mga dapat gawin na di-delay na. So, kailangan na pong baguhin or magkaroon na ng bagong plano if ever para magpatuloy. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, sayang naman niya kung ano man yan. Okay? Lalo na kung patungkol sa kaperahan. Okay. What else? Earth signs. Okay. 7 of Cups. Options. Being busy. Choices. The 7 of Pentacles. Maraming pag-iinvestan yung iba sa inyo in the near future. Maraming paglalaanan ng pera or paggagamitan ng pera like dito, 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 dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pwedeng kung ano man ang sa tingin nyo is pwedeng makagawa ng paglago, no? Sa kaperahan. Puro kaperahan to eh. Ang hirap naman. Oo, pagdating talaga sa earth sign. Ay, kung hindi pera, busy. Oo. Pagdating sa love, lots. Wala. Ang hina ng energy, ewan ko ba. Oo, kung meron man, tinataboy naman. Ano ba yan? Sinasadya nyo ba yan? Ay, kahirap. Oo. Hindi ko alam. Parang yan ang mas gusto ninyong marinig eh, no? Okay? Napakaseryosong nila lang. 'Di ba? Oo. Wala po kaming time para ganto ganyan. O 'di ba? Wala po kaming oras. Yes. Napaka Okay. Let's see. Ano tong 7 of Cups? The 5 of Cups. Someone is still, waiting. A water sign. Parang eto ha. Ito, merong nakakaramdam dito, earth sign. Ito, this is so specific. May nakakaramdam dito ng parang feeling nila is option sila. Ginagawa mo silang option or may nagtatanong na sa sarili ng kailangan ko bang magstay? Kailangan ko bang magtiwala sa sitwasyon? Or bahala na magkaroon ng regrets or panghihinayang sa future. Parang ganun eh. May mga ganong pagtatanong. Water sign. Yeah. Nagtatanong sila, they are confused. A water sign. Okay, confused sila kung ikaw ba is invested rin sa kanila. Anong ginagawa nyo, earth sign? Ha? Ayaw ng tao nito na ma-reject sila or madismaya lang in the end. Tinatanong nito, gustong malaman nito kung kayo ba talaga is invested sa kanila. This is someone's emotion. Specific. Yeah. Okay? This is a connection. Okay? Maybe a new one. Meron kasi gustong makakuha ng clarity talaga eh. Clarity. Like, worth it ba to? Or should I stay? Or should I go? Mga ganon. It's like, okay, bahala na. Go with the flow. Yan ang naririnig ko. Okay? So, 7 of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. You're guarded. You're guarded. Kaya pala, strength. You're too guarded. Kaya sila ganyan. Kaya sila nagkakaroon ng confusion. You're too guarded, Capricorn, or yeah, earth signs. Okay? You are too guarded. Strength, 9 of Wands, parang tagong-tago. Like, kailangan pa nilang bungkalin, no? Yung ano ba totoo mong emosyon or intention sa kanila. Or maybe this is vice versa. Pero I think, kayo to. Kayo itong pinag-iisipan ng ganito, earth signs. Meron ditong nagwo-worry. Kung talaga bang seryoso ka or invested ka ba sa kanila? Are you? Okay. So, there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.